Alright guys, welcome back to my channel Legit Story Update. So in today's video, I want to answer this question which I have been receiving in the comment section repeatedly. How do I know if my Ton wallet is connected? Please help me. Well, if you have been mining Hamster Kombat and you haven't done this, believe me, you are tapping in vain, because if Hamster Kombat eventually launch its token today, believe me, you are not going to receive a penny. So make sure you watch this video to the end, as I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to check or verify if your Hamster Kombat is connected to your wallet. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, first of all, I don't really know the wallet you are using. Right here I am using Ton Keeper. So in this video I will be using Ton Keeper for this tutorial. So in case you are using a different wallet, you can drop it in the comment section and I will do a separate video about that. Meanwhile, let's dive in today's video. So first thing to do, go to your Ton Keeper app and open it. This is it. So you click on it and this is how Ton Keeper interface looks like. You can see their wallet and the rest of them. You can see right here I haven't received any USDT with this wallet because it's a new wallet, right? So now to check if you have successfully connected your Hamster Kombat to this wallet, now look at the bottom of this screen. You can see their wallet history and browser. So what you need to do here is to go ahead and click on the browser. Once you click on the browser, this is how it looks like. This is the interface and this is what you will see. So the next thing here is to check the top of your screen. Right there you can see the connected. So tap on the connected button there and you can see these are the list of the stuffs I have connected to this particular wallet, this Ton wallet. You can see their Hamster Kombat, Tap Swap and community. So if you haven't seen your Hamster Kombat, your Tap Swap and any of the airdrop you are mining here, if you are not seeing them here, just know you haven't connected any of them to this Ton Keeper. Meanwhile, if you haven't done that yet, I'm going to take you through the step on how to do that. So stay with me. Now let's go back to our Telegram. Now you can see the Hamster Kombat interface. This is it. You can see at the bottom their exchange, my friends, and so go ahead and tap on where you are seeing airdrop. Click on it. Once you click on the airdrop, this is what you will see. Airdrop task listing on its way. Tasks will appear below. Complete them to participate in the airdrop. So that simply means connecting your wallet is very important. It's very important at this point. So what you are going to do right now, you can see here this particular account. Don't forget I made a video yesterday stating that my Telegram account was banned. Yes, so this is a new account which I just opened yesterday. I haven't connected mine yet, so let me use this in this video. If you are seeing this, connect your Ton wallet and it is not ticked, I will drop a screenshot how it looks like. Yes, you can see that. So if it is not ticked, that simply means you haven't connected it yet. So go ahead and click on it. Right, so this is it. You can see connect your wallet. Open wallet in Telegram or select your wallet to connect. Please take note, I have done this before and I'm repeating it again. Do not connect this wallet. Do not connect this to your Telegram wallet. It's risky. Based on my own experience, so I wouldn't like you to be victim of one. So you can see at the bottom Ton Keeper, my Ton wallet, Ton Hub and the rest of them. So since in this video I am using Ton Keeper, so I will go ahead and click on Ton Keeper. This is the last step. Go ahead and click on connect wallet and that is it. I don't want to connect this particular account to this Ton Keeper. I have my reasons. So go ahead and click on connect wallet and automatically your Hamster Kombat will be connected to Ton Keeper. Then when you come back here, you will see here will be ticked, and your wallet address will be here. So guys, I strongly believe this video was helpful. So all you need to do, the only thing you can do to support me is to go ahead and subscribe to this channel and drop a thumbs up for this video, and make sure you drop your comments in the comment section. Meanwhile, like I said before, if there's anything you want me to do video about, kindly drop it in the comment section and I will do just that. So after doing that, you go ahead and click on check, and automatically your wallet is connected to your Hmaster Kombat. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in my next video.